We're going to do some tie-dye with the new Derivan tie-dye kit. First up, we're just going to put the nozzles on the bottles so that we can do some intricate tie-dye designs. And today we're going to do the folding technique. And we're just going to wet the t-shirt first because that helps the dye disperse through the garment. So here we go. We just need to fold it. Now the way that you do this is just like a fan. So you just do nice little folds and then secure each end with a rubber band, and that just keeps the shape. Now what you want to do is just place some rubber bands all the way through. These are going to be the stripes. The dye, and you just put the magenta on the inside next to the rubber band, and then we're going to do the blue next to that and leave a little white in between, so you'll get a bit of a variation. Try and get that nozzle into the folds that you've created so that you're getting dye across the garment, and also just make sure you do both sides. Now leave this design to sit for 6 to 8 hours into a bucket of water. And we're just going to rinse it a little bit, and that's just going to spread the dye out just a little bit more and give you a bit of another variation. Now you want to remove the rubber bands, and there you have it. A beautiful stripy folded tie-dye design. And now all I have to do is heat set it. So the way that you heat set is you protect the garment with an old tea towel, and then you get your iron and you put it on the hottest setting, which is cotton, and then iron the garment for up to 4 minutes. And what that will do is will set the colours so they're nice and bright, vibrant, and stay vibrant after washing.